Find or read reviews that people are talking about SAILNER Wireless Carplay Adapter. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Wireless CarPlay Adapter. SAILNER Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a big deal for car lovers. No need to worry about using phone while driving. With the CarPlay Wireless Adapter, you can keep the original car operation and enjoy the CarPlay function, including navigation, music, phone calls, and Siri without getting distracted by wires. Wireless CarPlay Adapter, turn your car system into a second phone. Superior compatibility. This wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone is compatible with iPhone 6 and iOS 10 above. Besides, our SAILNER CarPlay wireless adapter is compatible with all cars with built-in wired CarPlay, including Ford, Toyota, Chevrolet, Honda, Hyundai, etc. Note: please make sure your car model is within our applicable range to avoid improper fitting. Plug and play. CarPlay wireless adapter for Apple is equipped with intelligent chip, which delivers instant and stable connection. After initial connection, once you start your car, your phone will connect automatically every time. You can smoothly use CarPlay functions and retain the original car control methods, touch screen, knob, and more. Note: feeling excessive warmth when using CarPlay is a normal phenomenon. Please rest assured and continue using it. Attractive design. The wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone design is compact and lightweight, which is about the size of your car key. CarPlay wireless adapter, with a black mirror finished surface and silver ABS materials, creates a futuristic and technological atmosphere, making your car cooler. The cable is made of foldable nylon material, which can be folded and placed at will. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important: don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.